Hello, I am trying out a new lighting situation for today. So if you enjoy this lighting, let me know. I have a huge mirror right here with a bunch of lights around it, and while it's great for me to do my makeup with, the lighting may be too much. So let me know. I'm going to keep playing around with different lighting situations. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samantha if you are new here, and if you are not new here, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back and watching another video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of my future videos. Without further ado, let's get into this. As usual, I did one eye off camera, and I know it doesn't look like much, but I promise there's gonna be more to it. So just give me the benefit of the doubt. I'm gonna start with my E.L.F. Putty Eye Primer, and I think it's like a beige, cream. I know not everyone likes this, but again, it's one of my favorite bases. I'm just stamping it on, making sure it's all over, so I have a nice even base. And I'm going to go into my Tati Beauty palette, and I'm going to start with Soothe, I think it's matte, yeah, Soothe Matte, which is right here. And I'm going to put that in the outer third and the crease. This is just a nice, easy New Year's Eve makeup look that anyone can do, and it still has that nice little pop that everybody wants with their makeup look. This is a clean brush, and I'm just going to buff that out a little bit more. I'm going to go into Aura Matte first, and just put that on the inner 2/3 of my eyelid. Followed by Aura Sequin, which is right above it. This has a nice little shimmer. And then I'm going to go back in with my clean brush and just kind of blend out the line that's in between them. I'm going to use my Haus Labs and just do a little wing, and I'll be right back. I went back and try to fix this wing a little bit more, so they're not exactly identical, but that's all right. Not a big deal. I'm going to go in with my Seint Beauty because this is my go-to palette. So let me grab a primer. Okay, I went ahead and grabbed the E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer, and let's use that today. So what are you guys doing for the New Year's? Please let me know down in the comments. Do you have any New Year's resolutions that you're planning on doing? Are you gonna attend a party? Just spending time with your friends and family? Let me know. We will just be at home, but you know, it's still fun. We currently have a sick little one, and it's just rough seeing a baby sick. All right. And even still, we're not big New Year's fans. We do try to do a New Year's resolution, but it is what it is. All right, so I'm going to start off with a different contour because I'm actually out. So let me switch that out. I'm going to use Indigo as my contour, which is a scary shade. It is so dark, but I promise it's not as scary as it looks in the tin. And I'm not completely out of my normal contour, but in the wintertime, I've noticed that going just a little bit darker looks nice on me. So I'm going to do that. And this is more of my summer contour, which is Olive. And they're easy to pop in. So I just popped one out using my fingers. Let's pop this in. They're magnetic. Awesome. All right, I'm going to use this small end of my detail brush and just going above slightly where my cheekbone is. Again, I know this color is scary, but I promise it's not. On the nose. Forehead. And my jawline. You know, just to give myself the illusion of a jaw. I always have a microfiber handy just for this reason. I clean off my brush in between because I'm going to now use it for a different shade. I like to use my brightener, but all right. Next step is my all over shade. I just use the other end and my hair is getting in the way. I'm going to put it along the jaw. If you're not familiar with Seint makeup, it's cream makeup and it's all in one palette. You only buy what you want or what you need. So like whenever I run out, I just buy a new tin instead of a whole new palette, which is awesome. And I can always change out my colors according to the season. So like I just said, I like to use a little bit darker of a color in the winter. And they last me forever. So I love that. Gorgeous so far. I'm also going to go ahead and apply my blush and my bronzer. And I think, let me change out my blush. So this is the blush I have currently in here. I use this for Christmas, but I want to go a little bit darker. So let me go switch that out. This is Scarlet. So I decided on a more pinky look, so I went with Hollywood. It also has a little bit of a like a goldish glimmer. So I'm just going to put that on top. There we go. And I'm also going to put on my bronzer, which I like tan lines mixed with glow. So I'm just going to mix those two together and put them right on top. And now we blend. Get ready to watch the magic. So once that is blended out, I'm going to go in with a dampened perfector sponge and I'm just going to make sure that all the water is squeezed out. And I'm just going to go back through and make sure everything is blended, and this is also going to pick up any excess. If you end up blending out too much, not a big deal. You can always pick up a little bit more of whatever you need. So like I'm picking up a little bit more contour and just lightly putting that in. I'm going to set a couple of my oily areas and just areas that I really want to stay on since we are wearing masks. I'm going to set using the Matte Finish NYX spray. I like to do that after the powder so that way it helps the powder to blend in and kind of melt into the skin. And then again, back to the blender and just push that in. Let's go back into the Tati Beauty palette. And I'm going to go back in with Soothe Matte, which is this lighter brown. And I'm just going to go under on the bottom lash line to blend that out. All right, once that is done, I'm going to go back in with, I'm having a hard time opening this, Tati Aura, but I'm going to use the sequin. And I'm just going to put that on my inner corner, mostly as a base. And then I'm going to use my finger and pick up Sequin Glitter. It's so pretty. And we're going to put this on the inner corner and around. It's so pretty. Oh, I love that. I love that so much. All right, and on the bottom, we just did the matte and Soothe, and I'm just gonna put on mascara. Eyes are done, and now we're just gonna do the brows, and I'm gonna use my Kosas Brow Pop Dual Action Defining Pencil. love this brow pencil and their brow gel. Their brow gel combo, this combo is amazing. This is the Air Brow, and I love this to set. I love it. This is my favorite combo now. All-time favorite combo. I'm going to put a little bit of Aura Sequin, which is this one right here, on my brow bone as a little pop of highlight. I don't want anything too crazy, but I felt like it needs a little bit. Oh yeah. I feel like that really is what I was missing. I love this eye look. I need to get a better picture in regular lighting because this is stunning. Absolutely stunning. And this palette, I'm so sad that it's no longer around. It's discontinued. If you want to know about it, go hit up Tati's video and you'll find out why. But I'm so sad because this is one of my favorite palettes. I love it. Absolutely love it. As for lips, I wanted to just do like a nude lip. So, I know I have my lip liner in here. No, this is not drugstore, but it's so pretty. I have Pillow Talk, and I'm just going to use that to line my lips. It's so pretty. It's like your lips, but better. I also have Pillow Talk lipstick, but I'm going to use NYX. I'm going to use Abu Dhabi in NYX Soft Cream Lip Matte. That's pretty. And I think I'm just going to put a little bit of Rome on the edges. Perfect. It just gives that little bit of peachiness or pink that I was wanting. I feel like this look deserves a little bit of a powder highlight, which I'm not really a fan of, but this look deserves something over the top, especially for New Year's. So let me grab that. All right, so to put this over the top, I'm going to use Glamazing, which is a Seint powder illuminator, and you'll see why it's over the top. Oh gosh. Beautiful. Look at that. That is just so over the top. I'm going to use my blender to kind of dampen it down just a little bit because it is over the top for me. Look at that. Oh, that glow. So here is my New Year's makeup. I haven't decided on a dress or a top yet, but I haven't even decided on my hairstyle. However, my makeup I have decided on, and that's what this is. The downside to having aligners is that my lipstick forever is drawn to it. No matter how much I clean up the inside, lipstick will forever go onto it. So I'm sorry about that. I did try to clean it up just now. Anyway, so this is my go-to New Year's makeup for this year. And you saw how easy it is, but yet it's just so glam yet simple. Anyone can do this. I love it. So I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. If you celebrate Christmas or Hanukkah or Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate, I hope you had a happy holiday. I hope you have a wonderful New Year's. Again, let me know down below what you do to celebrate or if you celebrate at all. And if you have New Year's resolutions, let me know what those are. I would love to hear them. So all the items I used today will be mentioned down below in the description bar so that you can follow along, or you can get an idea of what items you need to use to substitute. Thank you again for watching. I hope you have a lovely week wherever you are, and I will see you next week, or next year, I should say. Bye.